you know, Chinese here. I know we've got a lot of the Vancouver's speaking a different language, okay? But everybody speaks English, yes? So great, guys, come here, okay? Also, the resources video will just give you a real quick recap of all of the training and the videos that it provides, but ultimately you're going to be going to the Learn Forex Trading English aspect. When you click on that, it's going to have this little part here that says enroll, and then once you click on that, it's going to open up all the series of videos, okay? We have what's called Series 100, Series 200, Series 300, and Series 400, okay? If you wanted to go through all of our education, that is all of it, okay, for the Forex side. And there's a crypto side, and there's other sides as well. But for foreign exchange, just for that aspect, that's what you want to complete. If you want to know, I want to give you guys some ideas of time frame so you guys can manage your schedule, okay? The Forex beginning Series 100, absolutely a must to complete, okay? I would say you need to get it done today. If you would have the opportunity to do it yesterday, you should have done it yesterday. But here's what it looks like as far as a time commitment. 45 minutes maximum. Okay? Can we all say that's pretty fair? Yes? Okay, guys, here's the cool part. This is not like that 45 minutes that you needed to be while you were studying for school, where you were, you know, fully channeled. If you're channeled in there, even better, okay? But guys, some of you guys could be working out, cooking, you know, doing some errands around the house, whatever it is, just throw it on. Each video is about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. They're short, they're sweet, and it's real just general information to bring you up to speed on what is Forex, how does it work, who's in this industry, how long has it existed, the history of it. So when someone comes to you and says, I heard about this Forex thing, you ask, have you? And if they can't answer anything of those questions, they really know nothing. Coolest part is it's going to bring you all up to the speed of education, but really the Series 100 is the guideline of knowing what to do to follow mentors. Okay? Series 200 is going to explain what they're doing when they're charting the charts. Series 300 is going to go into you learning the capabilities of doing it your own and yourself, and Series 400 just finalizes that by knocking it out of the park. Okay, so that's really what we're doing here. So complete that ASAP. Okay, right away after completing that, you guys, we're gonna go into some stuff. So for the purpose of this training here live in person, these are 2 topics we're gonna teach you about right now. Okay, so again, go through the academy, enjoy the education that we're gonna provide you there, and there's gonna be there's videos on that stuff to recap it for you. But I'm just gonna quickly teach you about these things so that we hit the ground today and we move ahead right off the bat, okay? So that being said, first thing we're gonna teach you about is what are pips, okay? And when you're in trading, pips, the definition is percentage in profit, okay? Okay, and so here's what it is. Pips, you guys, simply put, is how we make money in trading, okay? How we make money in trading is pips. We are going into trades to gain pips, okay? And in a trade, you're gonna gain or lose pips. That's how it works, that's how trading works. So really quickly, just to talk about this, when you're entering into a trade, okay, when you click that buy or sell button on that particular currency or pair that you're choosing, it's going to enter into a trade and it's going to then create an entry number. That entry number is the number of where you entered into the market. Make sense? When you entered into the market, from there, you need to guide the trade whether you wanted to go up or down based on whether you are buying or selling. Guys, quick question. If we're buying, what direction do we want it to go?
Up.
And if we're selling, what direction do we want it to go?
Down.
Absolutely. Very simple. Very cool. And it's really easy, that aspect. So let's just say this is our example. So let's just say we entered into a trade, no matter whether it was a buy or sell. Okay? We got into this trade. This is our entry number. When it comes to foreign exchange only, so what I'm about to say does not apply to stock, gold, cryptocurrency, anything else. Okay, this is just for currency. The calculation of pips works like this. The entry number is created, and the first number to the right of it is what we call the pipette. Okay? In this example, what is our pipette, guys?
0.
Absolutely, 0. Okay? So, right then, right now. Now, real quick for foreign exchange, when you see a pipette, you ignore it. You just keep it the same, okay, when you're creating your final number. The next 2 numbers beside the pipette are your main numbers. That is the numbers you're going to work with, okay? In this example, what are our pips? 1, 0. Very good. So you see it's the 10, okay? The 10 as well, okay? So we would ignore the 0 and we work with the next 2 digits over. by the way, just a quick tip, do not ever look at where the decimal is. That doesn't matter. The decimal could be after the first digit, could be after the last digit. Doesn't matter, okay? If it was how many digits you see. In this example, we see 6 digits, yes? It could be 4 digits. It could be 5 digits. Doesn't matter how many digits you see. Forget about that. Just remember pipette, pips. Pipette, pips. So, here is my question to you, and it's a math question, okay? If we were to take this figure that we have, and we said we're going to minus 30 pips from this number, what would be your new number? If anybody could put their hand up, maybe answer the question. Okay. Yes, sir?
Oh, it would be 1.3080.
Absolutely correct. 100%. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Guys, phenomenal. He saw that right away, you guys, that the new number would be 1.3080. Okay? Now, guys, why? Just so that we want to make sure you're doing kind of, remember, old school grade 3 math. Don't use a calculator. Don't try to, subtract, some people say 20 random numbers or anything. Just remember this. It would be the equivalent of, imagine if there's 30 going down, you're going to be taking the 30 not from 10 anymore, you're taking it from 110. Make sense? Because once it would go down past 0, it has to go even further, yes? So it must borrow from the next digit over. In this example, since we're going down, we're going to take from the next digit over. If it was going up, we would be adding to the next digit over, okay? So a common mistake right away by students is when they're calculating pips is they only get confused when it's going above 100 or below 0. Make sense? Just remember it's going to borrow from the next digit over, okay? Simply, but let's ask another question just to make sure we're all on the same page. If we said, hey, we're going to add 30 pips to this number, what would be your new number?
140.
140, absolutely. So 1.3140, okay? You guys, does everybody make sense with that?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. Wanted to make sure. And guys, again, we're going to do a lot of practice with this, so even if it is something that you need help with, we're going to show you some guiding tools to help you. Now that you know about pips, we got to teach you about lots, okay? The most exciting thing I have ever seen. Because pips are how we make money, but lots are how much money we make. Make sense? And this is the key element to the success is how much money we're making. So here's how it works. When you enter into a trade and we're there to catch pips, what you're going to determine is what lot size to use that determines how much money you make. Okay? So there are 3 common examples. By the way, after the 3 common examples, it's limitless. You can use as many big as you want. But these are the standard lot sizes that people talk about at the beginning. Okay? As a student, this is where we're going to guide you in as well. So at the beginning, we have 0.01. 1 cent is it's also referred to. Okay? At a 1 cent lot size, any trade you place is 10 cents per pip in a profit or loss. So what that means is, and let me give you guys an example, if I went for 10 pips, I did a 1 cent lot size, how much money would I make? $1. Absolutely. 10 times 10 cents, because it's 10 cents per pip, I made $1. Very good. Now, same example, but the next one, it's a 10 cent lot size, okay? A 10 cent lot size just means this. $1 per pip is what I'm willing to gain or lose in the market. So when I go into the trade, I go into it at a 10 cent lot size. I go for 10 pips. How much money do I make?
$10.
$10. Absolutely, guys. 10 times $1 is $10. Yes? Absolutely, guys. You guys get $10 on that trade. Now, here is the next one, okay? Here is the next one. The next one, you guys, is a $1 lot size. A $1 lot size, you guys, is where everything kicks up to $10 a pip, okay? So when we're talking about $10 a pip here, if we're saying, again, same example, we go for 10 pips, and we did a $1 lot size, how much money did we make? $100. Absolutely. Now, guys, do you see how powerful that is? See, the same 10 pips could represent 3 different amounts of money. And based on your lot size is how much money you made. So you could have made $1, $10, or $100, okay? By the way, remember what I said, it's limitless. The next level is that you can do a $10 lot size. That would be $100 per pip. So if we did 10 pips, you made $1,000. If we did a $100 lot size, that would be $1,000 per pip. Yes? So if we did a 10 pip profit, we did $10,000 in there. We can go even higher than that if we wanted. We can go limitless, like I said. Here is the thing that, well, I mean, obviously we have a great thing here.
and it's been around 6 years, so it's been around even before I joined. And so I just need to line myself up with the right mindset. So we got a lot of talk today about that. Nafis did a great job on training. We have the presentation. So I'm just going to share some things I've done in previous companies where I've built teams of 10,000 or 5,000 people. I was part of a travel opportunity once where I was the first Canadian and I put in 10,000 people. So those are these numbers we're talking about here. So for those of you that want to share this with people, just think about like you're given a shovel and you're standing in front of a mine and there's gold or diamonds in the mine and all you gotta do is dig. Now, what's easier, you digging or you have a group of people digging with you? Right, exactly. So that's what this is all about. And so with the holidays here and people looking to make extra money, in fact, something a lot of you may not realize, and this is what you need to share with your team as well, in Canada with the CRA and IRS in the US, you have now tax savings or tax deductions because this is considered a home-based business. Because you're generating income working from home that you're going to file your taxes on. You're going to declare your income. So you can write off, sell the interest on your mortgage, renovations, your car, your gas, car washes, anything to do with running your business. Up to 20% of your home is tax deductible. So what I recommend is put all your expensive stuff in that part of the house, like your big screen TV and stuff, and your fancy couch, write all that out. I